Hello guys, today I'm here with my baby right here. This is my scooter. It's got 3,000 horsepower on this puppy. And we're about to let her rip on this Master Heel right here. Let's get her done. Hey guys, we're about to do it here, baby. Just get your butt out! Get out of the screen! Ah! It's a world record attempt. That ain't hurt at all. I don't feel pain. Who let this dad go back to my road, baby? Right now, we're headed back to the creek. I'm about to let her rip, boy. Howdy, how y'all doing? We're here at the Raging River. Many people have died trying to get in this river and cross this thing right here. It's very dangerous. I'm gonna climb to the top of that 500-foot cliff over there and jump off into the. It's about 500 feet deep here. Let's do it. Trying to climb this cliff over here. It's a little hard to get up here. It's dangerous. Okay guys, we're at the top. About to do the jump in here. I'm about to do it. Get out of here, you scat! Okay, ready? 3, 2, 1. I made it across that daggum river, boy. After that, I'm gonna have to attempt to jump the rest of the way across this river. It's so deep, I can't. It's just so deep here. As you can see, look, my feet can't even touch. Okay, we're gonna attempt to jump this thing. Okay, let's do it. Yeah, boy. First time I ever did that. Last time I did that, I almost drowned. Water up to here, boy. Get back down here, boy. Get here. You better come here, Tessie. You better get your butt down here. You gotta wait. Hello? Bobby Joe? How you doing? Wait, what? There's been ISIS soldiers spotted? I'm on it. I know I'm the only man that can complete this job. I'll be on my way. Right now, an ISIS soldier spotted near my house. I'm out here hunting with him. Got my pistol, shoots 580 liters per 0.10 seconds. This knife right here, it'll cut you up in one slishy slice. This right here is my baby. I just pee-poo everybody with this sucker right here. Okay, let's go. So ISIS soldier ahead. I need to get him and ask him questions, see who their leader is. I'm not gonna kill him right now. I'm getting my slishy slicing knife. See my attack dog right here spotted. Let's go. Right now, where's your leader at? Where's your leader? You better tell me where your leader's at right now. He's where? He's in China? Thank you. He's dead now. Now let's go get their leader. ISIS leader. He's right up here. We're sneaking up on him. Let's go. He's right there between those two trees. About to unload on him. Got him, baby! He's dead now, baby. ISIS won't be attacking America no more, baby. You just let her rip.